Good morning, good morning, good morning. Okay, usually I don't wake up and decide to do videos like this, especially not for a program that's in direct sales, unless there's an opportunity for me to make a ton of money, which there is with this new program. It's called Dyna Deals, and they're currently in pre-launch. And I have never seen a company take their advertising dollars and just give them away to people to simply introduce new people to the business. So here's what's going on if you haven't been made aware. Dyna Deals is giving American Express gift cards away to people that introduce 5 people. So they're going to give you a $50 American Express gift card if you can introduce this opportunity to 5 people, and those 5 people just sign up through your link. It gets no easier than that. I've honestly not had to tell people much about it other than, hey man, check this out, it's free, sign up. You can also try to get $50 gift cards if you introduce 5 new people. And let me tell you, the people that are doing this are just like, oh my god, because I'm like, oh my god, it was that simple. Anyways, if you are looking for an opportunity, and you actually like direct sales and you like getting out and mingling with people in your area, or not even just getting out, if you just like doing things online and sitting in the house, this is the opportunity for you, because they give you 6 different ways to earn. And I actually decided to attend one of their Monday night conference calls. I did the Saturday call, but on Monday they gave away I guess a secret that they were not gonna be exposing on the website or whatnot. Anyways, they have something coming out, and I don't know if I'm supposed to share what that is, so I'm just not. But when I tell you, it is going to be huge. You need to click this link and go ahead and sign up for it right now, because if you don't, you'll be sitting back like, damn, that was one of those missed opportunities I had. And like I said, in some of my other videos, and you can go through my other videos if you don't believe this, I do not really work hard for my money at all. I'm into passive income, and I believe in letting my money work for me. So if I come across an opportunity in the multi-level marketing niche or network marketing niche that I can put my own little spin on it and make it into a passive income, then I will. However, I've not found very many of those. There's only been a small few. So if you're looking for an opportunity where you can get out and go meet new people locally, or you can sit in the comfort of your own home and work from your laptop, I definitely think you should take a look at Dyna Deals, because I know one thing is certain: they will definitely pique your interest in one way or another. And if you don't sign up today, I can guarantee that you'll be seeing them later on down the road, and you'll be sitting back like, dang, I saw that video a few months ago, don't know why I didn't take advantage when I had the opportunity. Because it is completely, at this point, there's no risk involved. So if you don't at least sign up and take advantage of their current promotion, then I don't know what to tell you. Anyway guys, you guys have a great day. I'm off to go enjoy the rest of mine. Bye.